Welcome to Controls Explorer. This video we will show you how do you upload a PLC code from a PLC to your computer without having the source code for the PLC. What we have here are RSLOGIX 5000 PLC software and a COMPACTLOGIX processor. Once again, we are going to upload the program from the PLC back to the computer, and we do not have the source code in the computer. So let's start here. Open RSLOGIX 5000 and create a new file. Select a very similar, maybe exactly the same CPU and give a name, save the project. Next, we open RSLinx, RSLinx Lite, RSLinx Classic, what I have here right here. Now select the driver and identify the processor. We are using here Ethernet and we know the IP address of the processor. Over here, go to communication, who active, select exactly the same driver, identify the processor, select the processor right here and select upload. The moment you select upload, the next thing it's going to ask you select file. That is where it's going to write the uploaded code. So select the file at the very beginning of the project, whichever we created. So select file and let's go from here. Now hit yes. One thing, keep in mind, uploading may take very long, depends upon how large the program size is, and believe me, I had seen ControlLogix in the field where I tried to upload, it took more than 10-12 minutes. Uploading, you get exactly the same code back to your computer. Like as you can see it right here, we have uploaded the whole PLC code back to this computer. Only drawback, you may not have the full comments or description or the tag description, but this is the exact identical code. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our email ID techsupport@controls-explorer.com, and we would be more than happy to work with you. Thanks again. Bye now.